Hello student, in the last video we see the exercise 1.2, question number 1 and 2. Now in this video we'll see the question number 3 and question number 5. These two questions are important in the point of view of the examination. Question number 4 is highly tedious and it requires too much calculations, and this type of the questions are rarely asked in the examination till you can practice yourself. If time permits me, I will solve that question also. Now we'll start the question number 3 and question number 5. I think that you will understand all the questions very easily. Now the question number 3 is solve the quadratic equation when the delta is negative, value of the delta is negative, and that's how we get their roots are imaginary roots. And in the question number 5, we find the value of the given polynomial when the value of x is given. Now let us start the question number 3. Solve the following quadratic equations. X square plus 3ix plus 10 is equals to 0. Now comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Therefore a is equals to 1, b is equals to 3i and c is equals to 10. Therefore in this case we find out the discriminant, that is a b square minus 4ac, that is a 3i bracket square minus 4 into 1 into 10. 3i square means what? 9i square minus 40. That is minus 9 and minus 40, that is equals to minus 49, which is negative. Therefore the roots of the quadratic equations are not real. Therefore by using formula, that is x is equals to minus b plus or minus in root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a, that is minus 3i plus or minus in root of minus 49. 2a, the value of a is 1, that is minus 3i, and 7i plus or minus 7i upon 2, that is equals to 2i. Therefore x is equals to 2i. Now we see, that is, we take its 2 times, once we will add it plus and then subtraction, that is x is equals to minus 3i plus 7i upon 2, or x is equals to minus 3i minus 7i upon 2. Minus 3i plus 7i, that is a 4i upon 2, or x is equals to minus 10i upon 2. Therefore x is equals to 2i, or x is equals to minus 5i. These are the roots. Second, that is a 2x square plus 3ix plus 2 is equals to 0. Therefore comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Therefore a is equals to 2, b is equals to 3i, c is equals to 2. And again the value of the discriminant, that is a b square minus 4ac is equals to 3i bracket square minus 4 into 2 into 2. That is a 9i square minus 16, 9 into minus 1, that is a minus 16. Minus 9 minus 16 minus 25. Therefore b square minus 4ac is equals to minus 29. Again the roots are not real. Therefore by using the formula, this type of the examples you have learned in the 10th standard, but at that time the delta was always positive. Now in this case you are learning the next step, and that is the delta is negative. Therefore x is equals to minus b, that is a minus 3i plus or minus in root of the value of b square minus 4ac. We can directly substitute its value, that is, now see this, that is minus 3i plus or minus in root of minus 25 And again it is minus 3i plus or minus 5i upon 4. Now once you take the value is a plus and minus, that is a 3i plus 5i upon 4 upon 4. By mistake I had written that is a 2. It must be, I am changing now. That x is equals to minus 3i minus 5i upon 4. Therefore x is equals to 2i upon 4, or x is equals to minus 8i upon 4. Therefore x is equals to I upon 2. Now next, x square plus 4ix minus 4 is equals to 0. Comparing with a, again ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, and therefore a is equals to 1, b is equals to 4i, and c is equals to minus 4. Therefore b square minus 4ac, that is the value of the discriminant. 4i square minus 4 into 1 into minus 4, that is 16i square, and here is a plus 16. But what is a 16i square? Is a minus 16 plus 16. The value of the delta, that is equals to 0. In the 10th standard we learned that if the value of the delta is equals to 0, at that time the roots was repeated. Now in this case the same thing is here. That is by using the formula x is equals to minus b plus or minus in root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a, that is minus b, the value of, that is a minus 4i plus or minus the discriminant, that is a b square minus 4ac is 0. Therefore minus 4i upon 2, which is nothing but x is equals to minus 2i, and hence the roots are repeated here. Roots of the quadratic equations are repeated, are equal. Now next, fourth problem, ix square minus 4x minus 4i is equals to 0. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. A is equals to I, B is equals to minus 4, C is equals to minus 4I. Again find out the value of discriminant. B square minus 4AC is equals to minus 4 bracket square minus 4 into I into minus 4I. That is a 16 plus 16I square. That is a 16 minus 16, that is equals to 0. Again the value of the delta is equals to 0, and the roots are repeated here. By using the formula, the roots are equal. X is equals to minus b in the under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Substitute the value of b and the value of the delta. It doesn't require, but I had written it. And substitute the direct, the value is 0. Again here, that is a plus 4, the value is 0 upon 2i, that is 4 upon 2i. We are simplifying again it, multiplied n and d by I, then to the denominator you are getting the I square, which is a minus 1. Therefore x is equals to minus 2i. Again the roots are equal, they are repeated. Hence the roots are equal, and it is minus 2i. Question number 5. Find the value of this polynomial, that is x cube minus x square plus x plus 46 if x is equals to 3 plus 2i. Now evaluate this. X plus 2i, x minus 2 is equals to 3i, squaring on both sides. We want to find out the value of the polynomial. We required one quadratic equation here, squaring on both sides. That is x minus 2 bracket square is equals to 3i bracket square. That's why you are getting the 9i square, which is the minus 9. Therefore x square minus 8x plus 4 is equals to minus 9. Therefore x square minus 4x 9 plus 4, that is 13, is equals to 0. 9 upon left hand side learner, it will become the positive. Now divide. This division is from the 7th and 8th standards. You have learned this type of the division. X square minus 4x plus 13. If you forget, then I will again explain here. Now see this, the first term is x cube. Now by which term, that is, we multiply to the x square, then you will get the x cube, that is x. Multiplied the whole polynomial, that is x square minus 4x plus 13 by x, then you are getting the x cube minus 4x where plus 13x is equals to. Now this, I am changing the sign, therefore you are getting. Now the first term again, the 3x square minus 12x plus 46. Now we require the 3x square, that's why we are multiplying secondly by 3. Therefore you are getting the 3x square minus 12x plus 39. Subtraction and 0, and the last is 7. Therefore by division algorithm we can write like this. That we have, that is the dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. And substitute the values. It's very interesting example. The divisor, the value of the divisor is 0 into quotient, that is overall, that is 0 plus remainder, and the value is directly, that's a 7. Also, that is, we see the remainder theorem, it is equivalent to the remainder theorem. Whatever the remainder, that is the value of that polynomial. That is equals to 7, and hence the value of the polynomial is 7. Now next, that is a 2x cube minus 11x square plus 44x plus 27 if x is equals to 25 upon 3 minus 4. Every example is different, that we have to here multiply the conjugate of 3 minus 4i, which is a 3 plus 4i. Therefore multiply and divide 3 plus 4i, and that's why you are getting simple multiplication is there. That is a 3 in bracket 3 plus 4i upon 9 plus 16, that is a 25. Therefore x is equals to 3 plus 4i. Again x plus, and now the steps are again repeated. Same with that first example, squaring on both sides. If you want to become the master in mathematics, you have to practice more and more, frequently practice, weekly practice. That is x square minus 6x plus 9 is equals to 16i square. And that is equals to x square minus 6x plus 9 plus 16, that is equals to 0. That is x square minus 16 minus 6x plus 25, that is equals to 0. Therefore, again by, we will divide, that is a 2x cube minus 11x square plus 44x plus 25, that is the first division is 2x cube first term, and we have the x square, therefore multiply the x square by 2x and simplify, change the sign. Therefore the remainder is x square minus 6x plus 25. Now here we require only the 1, multiplied with the 1, that is x square minus 6x plus 25. You are getting the x square minus 6x plus 25, change the sign, that is the remainder is 2. Therefore the value of that polynomial is also 2. Therefore by division algorithm you have to write these steps. By division algorithm we have, that is a dividend is equals to divisor into the quotient plus remainder, plus remainder, that is equals to 2x cube minus 11x square plus 44x plus 27, that is x square minus 6x plus 25 into 2x plus 1, the remainder is 2, 0 into 2x plus 1 plus 2 bracket, and that is equals to 2. Therefore, what is the remainder? That is the value of that polynomial. The value of that polynomial is 2. Again, the x cube plus x square minus x plus 22. If x is equals to 5 upon 1 minus 2i, x is equals to 5 upon 1 minus 2i, multiplied n and dy 1 plus 2i, and that's why you are getting the 5 in bracket 1 plus 2i. That is the 1 square minus 2i square. Therefore, 1 minus in bracket minus, and that's you are getting, that is 5 in bracket 1 plus 2i upon 5, 5 get cancelled. Again, if you see this, that is x is equals to 5 upon 1 minus 2i, then x is equals to 1 plus 2i. Therefore, x minus 1 is equals to 2i now. Now squaring on both sides, that is x minus 1 bracket square is equals to 2i bracket square. Now see this, the ink has been changed. Therefore, 2i square means what? 4i square, that is equals to minus 4. X square minus 2x plus 1 plus 4 is equals to 0. Therefore, x square minus 2x plus 5 is equals to 0. Now divide this polynomial. That is, see this, x cube plus x square minus x plus 22, x square minus 2x plus 5 multiplied by x, and then you will get x cube minus 2x square, and in this way, that is a subtraction, 3x square minus 6x plus 22, again multiplied by 3, therefore you are getting 3x square minus 6x plus 15. Now the subtraction, change the sign, plus become minus, minus become plus, and that's why you are getting the 7. Therefore, the value of that polynomial is again 7. But we have to write these steps by the division algorithm. Dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. See this? We are going to write it. That is x cube plus x square minus x plus 22. That is x square minus 2x plus 5 into x plus 3 plus 7. That is a 0 into x plus 3 plus 7, that is equals to 7. Therefore, the value of the polynomial is 7. Hence, the value is 7. Now, next is x raised to 4 plus 9x cube plus 35x square minus x plus 4 if x is equals to minus 5 plus in root of minus 4. Again, he is changing his strategy of the example. That is written as x is equals to minus 5 plus in root of minus 4. We can write now x is equals to minus 5 plus in root of 4 into I square. That is minus 5 plus 2i, and that is x plus 5 is equals to 2i. Squaring on both sides, x plus 5 bracket square is equals to 2i bracket square. X square plus 10x plus 25, that is a 4i square. X square plus 10x plus 25 is equals to minus 4. That is minus 4 become plus, that is x square plus 10x plus 29, that is equals to 0. See this, that is equal. Now we will divide it. Normal division is there. X square plus 10x plus 29 is, that is x raised to 4 plus 9x cube plus 35x square minus x plus 4. Therefore, x square multiplied by the with x square to the divisor, that is x raised to 4 plus 10x cube plus 29x square. Change the sign, therefore you are getting minus x cube plus 6x square minus x plus 4, again multiplied with by minus x, because we are requiring the minus x cube. Therefore after multiplying, that is a minus x cube minus 10x square minus 29x, and again the subtraction, change the sign, therefore that is a 16x square plus 28x plus 4, and again multiplied with by 16, therefore 16x square. Next is 160x plus 464. Now this example is interesting in the point of view that we have the remainder in the form of the polynomial, that is a 16x square and x square get cancelled, that is a minus 132x minus 460. This is the remainder. Again by division algorithm, we have dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder, that is 0, its value is x square plus 10x plus 29 into x square minus x plus 16 minus 132x minus 460. This is your remainder. Now the first is 0, x square minus x plus 16 minus 132x minus 460. See this, therefore minus 132x minus 460. Now substitute the value of x, that is minus 132. The value of x is minus 5 from the above, that is minus 5 plus 2i minus 460. Now simple multiplication is there, minus minus become plus, it become the 360 minus 264 I minus 460, and their subtraction comes to 200 minus 264. This is the value of the polynomial. Value is 200 minus 264R. Now the last example, that is a 2x raised to 4 plus 5x cube plus 7x square minus x minus 41. If x is equals to minus 2 minus root 3r. Again x plus 2 is equals to minus root 3i, squaring on both sides, x plus 2 bracket square minus root 3i bracket square, and that's you are getting the x square plus 4x plus 4, that is equals to 3i square, and which is minus 3. Therefore x square plus 4x plus 1, that is plus 4 plus 3 is equals to 0. X square plus 4x plus 7, that is equals to 0. Now see this, the division, 2x raised to 4 plus 5x cube plus 7x square minus x minus 4, 41, it is divided by x square plus 4x plus 7. Now multiply x square by that polynomial by 2x square, then you are getting the 2x raised to 4 plus 8x cube plus 14x square minus, and that's why you are getting the minus 3x cube minus 7x square minus x minus 41 Therefore again multiplied by minus 3 minus 3x square minus 12x square minus 21x. Change the sign. Therefore, now the next is that 2 becomes 0. Again here, that is 5x square plus 20x minus 41. You can multiply that polynomial by 5. Therefore, you are getting 5x square plus 20x minus plus 35. Change the sign, and that's why you are getting its value is a minus 76. Therefore, the value of the polynomial is minus 76. But we required the steps. Therefore, by division algorithm, dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Right in this fashion, that is, dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Therefore, right here, x square plus 4x plus 7 into that quotient is a 2x square minus 3x plus 5 minus 76, and 0 into 2x square minus 3x plus 5, that is a minus 76. Therefore, the value is minus 76. Just we have completed with the smiley. Now we'll see in the next video. Till then, goodbye. In this way, we have completed the question number 3 and question number 5. If you have any doubt, write in the comment box. If you are new for this channel, then subscribe it, like it, and also share with your friends. Now we'll see in the next video. Till then, goodbye.